In this tutorial today I'm going to guide you how to make professional looks thumbnails to increase more traffic in your video. Stay tuned for a moment. Open browser and search for canva.com. Then sign up or log in with your Google or Facebook account. Once you log in, you will have the interface like this. Go to YouTube thumbnail option. A new tab will open and load the design window, where you can use ready-made templates, photos, elements, text option, videos, thumbnail background as well. If you want to use your photograph, simply go to the upload and upload your photos. Drag your photos in the design window and adjust the size. If you want to change the background of your thumbnail, simply go to the background options and select the desired thumbnail background. Also, go to the text options and select the desired font and write the content you want to write in your thumbnail. You can change the color, font, size, alignment, as well as line spacing. Just set the text as you desire. Once you finish, simply go to the download options on the right corner above your design and download it. Stay tuned for a moment. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell. You have done it, guys. I hope you like the video. If you still not subscribed this channel, please make sure you subscribe this channel. Also share this video with your friend. About what content you want to see the next video, please write down in the comment sections. I'll make the video for you. See you in the next video.